Hello and welcome to this quick update on gold for the 27th of March 2025. On a Thursday, as you can see, gold has finally managed to break above this dreaded resistance at around 3030 levels. The 4 hour candle coming from the end of the Asian session, and as we are entering the London session now, is looking really very bullish towards the upside. And if this 4 hour candle manages to close above these areas, we expect gold to have more upside during the day and maybe towards tomorrow, the end of week as well. Um, so what are we looking at is maybe some sort of pullback towards these areas and price to consolidate on the lower time frames around these areas. And then if price fails to break below these areas, then we can start taking longs up towards the daily high area to test your 3050 at the start, and then if it goes above to test the highs at around 3057 or 3060 areas. And that is what looks likely based on this price action right now, especially if you look at the size of this building for our candle. And as you can notice, if I zoom in a little bit, that it has barely a very little wick, right, which sort of signifies massive bullish pressure towards the upside. It had been forming sort of a bullish flag, and is as we were expecting after the breakout of this bullish flag to price to consolidate around this flag pattern and then go up. It has gone up. So another sort of a little flag that it had been forming on lower time frames. If you look at the hourly time frame, right, the parallel channel, it had broken above. It has broken above that channel as well. So now we're expecting more bullish momentum on gold. So even though this is uh, the sort of a last full week before the quarter ends in March, the first quarter end, when a lot of portfolio managers and money managers and hedge fund may actually try to rebalance their portfolios and take some profits off their table. And because gold had been in such a big bullish run, there is always a chance that these money managers will try to book some profits and try to take the price, um, or that sort of puts pressure on the goal to sell off during the end of the month or end of the week. And that's what we have seen at least on the prior months. And as soon as the new month begins, the gold has a bit up again and then starts testing new highs. But even now during the end of the week, so we're on a Thursday right now, so we have one full day remaining tomorrow. Although March 31st is the Monday of next week, this is sort of the full week before the quarter ends. So we cannot really rule out that gold will not experience any sort of a headwind. But to do that or to see that, I think we'll have to do is for price to form sort of a massive fake out from these areas, start closing below these areas, and 3030 forms a resistance again, and then try to break below 1316 for more downside movement towards the 3006. And if that breaks, then to excuse me, this consolidation area around the 2090 or the 2080 areas, right? But that right now, based on the price action, seems very unlikely. What we see is that the gold is trying to break above these resistance levels as well. As you can see, all of these orders trapped in here and consolidating, these are trying to move gold up. And as I mentioned earlier, the best move would be for it to come down towards the London session, retest the 3030 area, make some sort of a support, and then retest these all time highs. Again, with that, I wish you a really good trading for Thursday and Friday and a good weekend ahead. And please don't forget to like and subscribe our videos so that we can keep on bringing more free contents to you. Thank you so much.